Hello viewers, you are watching a lecture series on engineering graphics. This is the second lecture on isometric projection. In this lecture, we will discuss some simple problems. So first, isometric projection of a pentagonal pyramid standing on HP. First of all, draw the regular shape of pentagon and cover this pentagon in a square 1, 2, 3, 4. And then start drawing isometric projection. On the baseline, at an angle of 30 degree, draw a line 2, 3, and at an angle of 30 degree, draw a line 2, 1. Parallel to line 2, 1, draw 3, 4. Parallel to 2, 3, draw 1, 4. So this is a square 1, 2, 3, 4, similar to the square here 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this is a square in which you have to draw the pentagon in the same way as it is shown here. As it is shown here, that between the line 2, 3 there are 2 points BC. So here also in the line 2, 3 there are 2 points BC. Here on the line 1, 4 there is a point E. Here also at a line 1, 4 there is a point E. Here on the line 1, 2 there is a point A. On the line 1, 2 there is a point A. Similar on the line 4, 3 there is a point D. So these are the corners of pentagon A, B, C, D, E. Join all these corners and draw the base. This is the base of the pentagonal pyramid. Now locate the center of this base, and from the center draw a vertical line equal to the axis of this solid. And now cut the axis here, and this is the apex. Join the apex with all the corners of the base, with A, with B, with C, with D, and with E. This is the complete isometric projection. Erase the lines which are hidden. So this line is erased here because it's hidden. But in this figure you are looking here that ED and DC are the dark lines. These lines should not be dark. Only EA, AB and BC, these lines should be dark because these will be visible to you, and all the slant lines should be dark. These lines should not be light. These slant edges should be dark because these are visible to us. So this is the isometric projection of pentagonal pyramid. The second is isometric projection of hexagonal prism standing on HP. First of all, draw hexagon, and we have discussed in the last lecture how to draw this hexagon and how to cover this hexagon in a rectangle. Now start drawing isometric projection. Take a line 2, 3 and line 2, 1 at an angle of 30 degree with the baseline. Parallel to these two lines, draw two more lines, this and this, and you can draw a rectangle here. In this rectangle, draw a hexagon similar to the hexagon which is shown here in the orthographic view. This is orthographic view and this is the isometric view. Now from each corner of this hexagon, take the vertical lines equal to the height of the prism which is given to you in numerical statement. So from this corner, from this corner, from this corner, from this corner and from this corner also, from all the 6 corners take a height, and then join the points at the top, and you will see a hexagon at the top also similar to the hexagon at the base. Join all the corners of the top and the base with vertical lines, and finally delete the lines which are not visible to you. Only show the lines which are visible to you. Now the isometric projection of pentagonal prism lying on HP. First of all, draw the pentagon, cover it in a rectangle 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the isometric, orthographic view. And now in isometric projection, take a line 2, 3 at an angle of 30 degree to the baseline, and now draw a line 2, 1 perpendicular to this baseline, and parallel to these two lines 1, 2 and 2, 3, draw two more lines 1, 4 and 4, 3, and this is a rectangle similar to the rectangle visible here 1, 2, 3, 4. Now as A, B, C, D, E are shown here in orthographic projection, show here in isometric projection also A, B, C, D, E. Always remember that all these distances in isometric projection should be from isometric scale. Now at an angle of 30 degree, draw the lines from B, from A, from E, from D, from C in this direction, and these lines should be equal to the length of this pentagonal prism. Now join the end points and you will find a pentagon here also. Now you have the two pentagons, one pentagon is this and one pentagon is here also. So delete these internal lines because in pentagonal prism only the one pentagon will be visible to you, other will be hidden. Isometric projection of cylinder lying on HP. First of all, draw the circle as discussed in the last lecture. This is the circle which is made with the help of four center method. So you have to draw the two circles. One is this and one more circle, and these two circles should be joined together to draw a cylinder. This is the solution. First of all, draw a box like this. How to draw the box? First of all, take a line at an angle of 30 degree, this line, and this should be equal to the diameter of the circle. Take a vertical line equal to the diameter of the circle, then parallel to these two lines, draw these two lines also. So this is a square. Okay, so in this square you have to draw the circle with the help of four center method, and now the corner of this square should be extended at an angle of 30 degree to this baseline, and this length should be equal to the length of the cylinder, and then draw a rectangular square. It is draw a square with the same dimensions as drawn before here. So in this square, draw a complete circle with four center method. Now you have two circles, one is here, and join these two circles with two lines, one line this one and one line this one, and remove this portion of the circle because only this circle will be visible to you, and another circle will not be visible to you. Isometric projection of cylinder standing on HP. First of all, draw a circle as a base here, and as we have discussed before in the last example, take the vertical line equal to the height of the cylinder, and here draw a square, and in this square draw a circle with four center method. Now two circle you have, one circle will be visible and other will be hidden, so it should be erased from here, and this is the final projection. Thank you.